Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by checking your iPhone supports eSIM and running a compatible iOS. This matters because the phone needs the eSIM framework. Once done, make sure you have the Airtel QR code or the activation code and the EID if requested. Now connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network or use your current mobile data. Open Settings, tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan. This launches the scanner, so you can immediately scan the Airtel QR or choose manual. After scanning the QR or entering the SMDP Plus and activation code, your iPhone will fetch the Airtel profile. This can take a minute. You'll be prompted to label the plan, pick something clear like Airtel data, because labels help when switching, then assign which line handles voice versus data. Make sure to set the default line for iMessage and FaceTime and select your cellular data line. If you need both lines active, enable both for calls and data in cellular settings. Finish by verifying the new Airtel eSIM shows as active under cellular plans. You may need to wait a few minutes. Once active, test with a call, an SMS, and open a web page to confirm data. Make sure your default data line is selected if needed. If activation stalls, toggle airplane mode, restart the iPhone, or reset network settings. These steps clear temporary network caches. If problems persist, contact Airtel with your device EID and the activation code for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.